So children, we shall start with the last exercise, that is exercise 3.3. First question is, in the figure, look here, figure 3.39, 3.40, 3.41. For all the three problems, children, one beside the other the figures are given. Along with the question, don't forget to copy the figures. In the figure 3.39, so this is the figure, children. Sides QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to point S and point T. So we studied theorem 3.8 now, that is what they are doing, producing one of the side of the triangle. Here two sides are produced, no problem. Triangle PQR, we have side PQ of the triangle is extended up to point S. Hope you can see here, the heading is confusing you, I hope. Okay, so the side PQ of a triangle is extended up to point S and the base QR of a triangle is extended up to point T, or it is produced up to point T, they are telling. If angle SPR is 135 degree and angle PQT is 110 degree. Children, what they are telling, angle SPR and angle PQT, both are the exterior angles formed on producing the two sides of a triangle PQR. That you should understand. So, two exterior angles are given to us. That is 135 degree and 100 degree. Find angle PRQ. This angle PRQ is how much they are asking us. How do you find out? Simply you cannot tell, as an exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. Two unknown angles you will have if you directly apply that concept. So you cannot, though you know the exterior angle. So what we should do is, look at the solution. In the figure, angle SPR plus angle QPR means this angle is equal to 180 degree. How? Means where shall I draw? I will draw here. Which angle I am taking? Angle SPR. This is 135. This is S. This is P. This is R. And angle Q is here. QPR. This angle, children. This angle. This is Q. Look. I drawed it for you separately. These two angles. Now, don't you think PR is a ray standing on the line SQ? So, we studied in the previous session, children. If a ray stands on a line PQ, then the adjacent angles or the linear pair of angles formed are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. So, now angle SPR, that is this angle, plus angle PRPQ, QPR or RPQ, either way you can take, QPR. The sum of these two angles I have taken as 180 degree. Why? I have given the reasons in the bracket, that is linear pair, children. So I have been telling you right from the previous session, if you get confused which angle, draw somewhere roughly with pencil. You will get this figure, means easily you will understand, children. So linear pair. Now we know what is angle SPR. They have given us as 135 degree. So in place of angle SPR, I will substitute 135 degree plus angle QPR as it is, I will keep is equal to 180 degree. So angle QPR will be directly have written, children. What I have done is angle QPR 180 minus 135, which will give you 45 degree. So we find it out that angle QPR is 45 degree. Hence we find it out one of the angle. So we know exterior angle. Then it is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now easily we can do. Now angle PQT. Again I want to draw. Shall I erase this? Now this we find it out. Angle P gotaito. But now angle PQT. Angle PQT. This is P, this is Q, and this is your T. Angle PQT plus angle PQR. This is R. Again, these two angles what are formed, children? Again, they make the linear pair. As no array standing on the line, These two are linear pair of angles and they are supplementary. Again, angle PQT plus angle PQR na 180 degree anta if we take, how? By linear pair. I drawed you and shown. Now substitute angle PQT. We know it is 110 degree plus PQR is 180 degree. PQR will be 180 minus 110, which is directly written as angle PQR is 70 degree, children. So we find it out this angle is 70 degree. Now next what we are doing is we are considering the first base triangle, that is triangle PQR. We know angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, that is sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree by angle sum property. So for the triangle PQR, now we are applying that. So angle QPR plus angle PQR plus angle QRP is 180 degree of this triangle. Reason, angle sum property. We find it out what is angle QPR. So 45 degree I will substitute in place of QPR. PQR also we find it out 70 degree. QRP we don't know, I am keeping as it is equal to 180 degree. 45 plus 70 is 150 plus QRP as it is 180 degree. QRP is 180 minus 115 when you do, children, we get it is equal to 65 degree. That is how you will solve. Or since you know 110 degree, try to apply theorem 3.8, that is exterior angle is sum of interior opposite angles. Using that, if at all we do, children, simply I will try by cleaning this part of the board. 110 degrees exterior angle is equal to sum of interior, means angle P plus angle R. Here we find it out angle P. 110 degrees angle P plus angle R. Angle P we find it out it to be 45 degree plus angle R. What is angle R? 110 minus 45. How much is 110 minus 45? Don't we get 65? Yes, children. So that concept also you can apply if at all you feel this is lengthy. Either way you can solve. That is the reason I always tell you, children, looking at the problem and the figure, you should try to analyze which concept or which theorem I can apply, like that. When you see under each exercise, each lesson, that immediately after that concept, when you solve the problems, you will understand. But in the question paper, when it is mixed, again you get confused. That is the reason. Try to apply the things what you have studied, which law, which theorem, what property I can apply. You should think and then solve. Then any problem given you can solve, children. Next we shall solve the second question, children. In the figure, angle X is, here is the figure, angle, you have triangle XYZ in which angle X is 62 degree, angle XYZ is 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY, respectively, of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and angle OYZ. Correct? YOZ. Angle O, angle Z we need to find out. So there is a triangle XYZ given angle X is 62 degree, whole angle Y is 54 degree, angle Z they have not given. For this angle XYZ, this bisector is drawn. What is the bisector? Which divides the angle into two half. So angle XYZ is divided into angle XYO plus OYZ by the bisector OY. Similarly, for the angle XZY, OZ is the bisector that is given. So they are asking us to find what is this angle O and angle Z. We need to find out, children. How do we do is, in the figure, OXYZ, OY and OZ are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY. Now, in the triangle XYZ, this whole big triangle if you consider, we know from angle sum property, that is angle Y plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degree. Angle Y they have given as 54 degrees, so substitute. Angle X they have given as 62 degrees, substitute. XZ we don't know what is angle Z, so XZY I will keep as it is equal to 180 degree. So XZY will be, next I have added 54 plus 62 which is 116, children. So XZY is 180 minus 116, which gives you 64 degree. Therefore, angle XZY is 64 degree. Hence, we find it out this whole angle X is 64 degree. That is not the end of the problem. One angle we have found it out. Still, we need to find out what is, which angle they asked? Sorry. Angle YOZ. YOZ and OZY. OZY means we find it out this whole angle, children. We need to find out what is OZY. To do that, now again angle XZY in the figure. Angle XZY is OZX plus OZY. I said no in the beginning itself. This OY and OZ are the bisectors, means this whole angle XZY is bisected or divided into XZO plus OZY. OZX plus OZY. It has been divided. What is bisected? Angle Z. So, in both the centers, angle Z only should be there, children. Why? Angle Z is bisected now. It is divided. So, angle XZO, OZX are the what? As this whole angle is bisected into OZX plus OZY. Now, OZX is OZY. Why? Because angle Z, which is bisected, is divided into equal half, children. So, this OZX and OZY are equal. Why? Because OZ is the bisector. Now, this symbol is similarly. Since this is new to you, I am writing the meaning word, what it means to the symbol. Here onwards, if I write 3 lines and Ly on the top, children, it is similarly. You should understand. Similarly, for this angle Y, OY is the bisector anta odviyalla. So, OY bisector andre angle XYO plus angle OYZ anta angle Y divide aaytu. That is what we have written. Why? OY is the bisector of angle XYZ. But again, angle XYO and OYZ are again equal. Why? Because OY is the bisector, means it is dividing the angle into 2 equal halves. That is very important. So, that is the reason here also we wrote them as equal. Here also we will take them as equal. How? Means see, XYZ is now OZ plus OYX. We know what is angle XYZ. They have given us it as 54 degree is equal to OYZ plus OYX. But I forgot to write one sentence here. You write. But OYZ is equal to angle OYX. OYZ is equal to OYX anta barbiಟ್ಟು OYZ plus OYX ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ children. What I am doing is the total whole angle Y is 54 degree. The bisector OY is dividing the 54 degree into equal half andre I will do 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining, 2 7s are 14. Hence, I will write OYZ plus OYX both are equal to 27 degree. How we got 27 degree? Because whole angle Y is 54 degree. By the bisector OY, the whole angle Y is divided into 2 halves. So, 54 divided by 2 means those two angles are equal to 27 degree. Now consider this chota triangle. Chota triangle means the small triangle what we got inside OYZ, and apply the angle sum property, that is angle X plus angle Y plus angle O is 180 degree. Just now we find out what is this angle Y, 27 degree. So substitute 27 degree. Hange angle OXY idiyalla. Here also you mentioned, children, we got XZY 64 alva. So 64 divided by 2 andre 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So both the angles here are equal to 32 degree. Please mention it, children. That 32 I am substituting here. So in this small triangle, angle O plus angle Y plus angle Z. YX came here. This is the angle Z. Sorry, OZY. Angle O, angle Y and angle Z are the 3 angles of small triangle OYZ. So y we know 27 degree, z we find it out 32 degree, o we don't know is equal to 180 degree. How? By angles of property. 27 plus 32 is 59 degree. Y for z is 180 minus 59. When you do, you clearly get 121. That is 121 degree is the measurement of this angle 121. Now just add angle O is 121 now. Angle Y 27. Innೊಂದು angle 32. 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10 0 1 carry 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 1 as it is. Didn't we get the sum to be 180 degree? Hence all the angles what you have find it out are correct. That is the sum of all the three angles should be equal to 180 degree, and hence I verified, children. You need not show the verification. Just to make you understand that what we have done is correct, I showed you, children. So like this you need to solve. That is about the second one. Next we shall solve the third one. In the figure, if AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is 35 degree, CDE is 53 degree. Find angle DCE. So we shall do it.